Hi guys, welcome to All Aboard. This is Aditya. So there are lots of students confused with one question that sir interview language should be in English और हिंदी की. सर जब इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चन पूछा जाए तो हमारा आंसर जो है वो इंग्लिश में होना चाहिए या हिंदी में होना चाहिए. So I'll give you the complete brief detail related to this, that what you can prefer, इंग्लिश और हिंदी, एंड व्हाट विल बी द प्रोसीजर, उसके बारे में बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गाइज, बिफोर गोइंग फॉर योर SBI PO इंटरव्यू फ्रॉम द साइड ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया यू विल बी गेटिंग वन बायोडेटा फॉर्म. एक फॉर्म मिलेगा आपको, बायोडेटा फॉर्म. इट विल बी अवेलेबल ऑन द वेबसाइट ऑफ स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑल्सो, एंड द डे यू विल रिसीव द मेल फ्रॉम स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द कॉल लेटर, एज अ कॉल लेटर ऑफ योर इंटरव्यू date and venue, everything will be defined. Same day you will get the information related to the biodata. Biodata will be very similar, like you can see in my PPT that biodata will be like this. In this biodata you have to fill all the information related to yourself. आपका नाम होगा, सारी चीजें होंगी, your education, qualification, work experience, everything. But if you will check this biodata in the starting, after this page, just in the starting from where you are required to fill it, एक इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है आप लोगों के लिए. द क्वेश्चन इज द चॉइस ऑफ लैंग्वेज ऑफ जीडी एंड इंटरव्यू विल बी आइदर इंग्लिश और हिंदी विच यू वांट टू सिलेक्ट. नाउ आई नो दिस, some of you are getting confused, sir, what about GD, sir? GD will be conducted this year or not? What about group discussion, will it be conducted or not? Most probably GD will not be conducted this year because SBI has not conducted GD last year as well because of COVID pandemic. तो सेम सिचुएशन लास्ट ईयर भी था, अभी भी है. लास्ट ईयर SBI ने GD कंडक्ट नहीं किया था, तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली SBI GD इस बार भी कंडक्ट नहीं करेगा. बट स्टिल वी हैव टू वेट फॉर द डे ऑफ मेल. द डे you guys will receive the mail from State Bank of India will be 100% clear only on that day. So GD and interview, last year also your form was similar to that. आपका फॉर्म इसी तरीके से आया था लास्ट ईयर भी, and GD was not there last year as well. So the language of interview will be English और हिंदी. You have to click on one. आपको इस पे क्लिक करना होगा इंग्लिश हिंदी पर. If you will click on English, they will start your interview in English. If you will click on Hindi, they will start your interview in Hindi. But don't think like if you have clicked on Hindi they are not going to raise any question in English. It's depends on panel. Maybe they want to raise one or two question, they can raise in other language. Other language means either English or Hindi. First of all, try to give your answer. At least introduction you should prepare in English. आपको इंग्लिश में अपना इंट्रोडक्शन जरूर से प्रिपेयर कर लेना है. Second thing, if you are unable to answer confidently in English or Hindi in any particular language, guys, you can request them to change your language. आप पूछ सकते हैं, आप उनसे बोल सकते हैं कि सर I am unable to answer this question in English. Mostly students face problem in English, they want to answer in Hindi. So you can ask them, sir, I can answer it, but can I proceed in Hindi? Sir, मैं आंसर कर सकता हूँ, क्या मैं हिंदी में आंसर कर दूँ? They will not say you no. So if I'll say you what is the conclusion of this question, that interview should be in English or Hindi. First of all, there is a preference they have given. You can select that preference you want to give in which language. Still, if you get the question in different language, like instead of Hindi you got the question in English, you can request them to give your answer in Hindi. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, नॉलेज एंड प्रेजेंटेशन विल मैटर देयर. आप कैसे अपने आंसर्स को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, दैट विल मैटर अ लॉट. कंटेंट विल मैटर अ लॉट. लैंग्वेज विल नॉट बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस. लैंग्वेज का उतना बड़ा मैटर नहीं है. सो डू नॉट वरी अबाउट द लैंग्वेज. लैंग्वेज के बारे में इतना परेशान ना हो. एंड ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू इन द बायोडेटा यू विल बी गेटिंग your preference language, so you can give the preference according to you. I hope this video will help you. It will clear your doubts. So now you will not be worried about language. You will be able to prepare for other topics. If you want me to cover more and more questions in the form of these types of short videos in the upcoming sessions, so please go and write in the comment box. Write your questions as well, which questions you want me to cover. I'll take the same to same question with the answers. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. For information, guys, we have our interview batch which is running on the Olipboard platform. You can use the coupon code Aditya to join this batch. In this batch, you will be getting one-to-one personal interview, mock interview, where I'll be able to discuss your issues related to your profile and how you can give your answers related to such type of questions. कैसे आप उनके answers कर पाएंगे, we'll be able to discuss related to this. There will be 2 mock interviews conducted for each candidate. 2 interviews होंगे हर एक candidate के लिए, 1-to-1 interviews. So this is the information about the batch. Thank you and Jai Hind.